Guys, Joe Gosser here again. I want to show you some of the trees. So we ended up tubing like 6,000 trees. And these are all red cedar. And you can see there, some of them are growing. I'd say most of them are growing. But we're just double checking to see how many have died and then what areas need to be replanted. And I'm taking a look at how much water's out here, and it's just crazy with all the flooding. The good thing is there's quite a few trees survived, so I'm pretty happy with that. But the deer chewed on a lot of them. It's always just kind of interesting, but look at all the water. It's crazy. Anyway, I want to show you guys that. I'm going to make another quick loop through the property and see what's growing and what's not, and get ready for planting. All right, guys, thanks for watching.